I have a DeWalt here, 20 volt max XR. I've only got the 20 volt max little small batteries here. And the model number is DCF886. Alright, it's a small impact driver. I know I use it around the house all the time. It's awesome. I've tried to take bed bolts off of a Dodge Ram. It was a 94. It was very rusty and it would not take those. So I'm gonna see if it'll take these lug nuts off this Jeep Liberty. So it will take lug nuts off of this Jeep Liberty anyway. Now I'm gonna torque it down with this a little bit, then I'll come back and get my wrench. And there you have it. Brushless motor. Not too bad. Thanks for watching. Alright, I figured I'd try this thing again. I got a 2011 Chevy Cruze here. Same drill. DeWalt. Model number there. Let's see if it'll take a lug nut off of the 2011 Chevy Cruze. It won't take that. Alright. I don't know if that was put on with an impact or what, but it won't take those.